Thanks to the rapid technological growth, people are looking for ways to use technology to generate income from their homes. One way to generate income remotely from home is by making use of what is known as affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and in this video I'm going to teach you the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has grown massively and has become a secondary source of income for many people. Affiliate marketing is considered part of a big online industry that moves billions of dollars. It is understood that it will continue to increase in the coming years. It is also difficult for many people to start generating income from home because of the lack of experience, and it can also be considered a risky opportunity. Understanding it by educating yourself can become a great monetary solution, and why not a primary source of income that can sustain your family. Affiliate marketing is for many bloggers an excellent system of transforming their readers into money. They see it as a way to monetize their online work. It comes to represent their main daily work. There are many tactics and strategies to make use of affiliate marketing, but before I go into it, you must understand the fundamental aspect that I'm going to explain to you. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a marketing agreement made through what is known as the affiliate with an online business company. The affiliate is in charge of referring the product or service that this online company sells and generates a commission for the sales he or she makes. Affiliate marketing is considered one of the most modern, fastest, and most effective ways to generate money. For many people, it represents their primary source of income. What the affiliate does is generate content to attract an audience and thus be able to offer a service at a particular time. The content can be published on blogs or other platforms. Once the readers or viewers see the content of the affiliate and gain their trust, the affiliate proceeds to offer products with which generate sales commissions. For example, a blogger can join an affiliate marketing network that will provide him or her with the banners and links that he or she needs to publish on his or her blog. When the blogger publishes new articles, they place these banners and links in strategic areas, making people interested in the products that can be promoted there. Affiliates also use their social media profiles to promote the products of these excellent affiliate marketing companies. The affiliate marketing story. Many think that Amazon was the creator of affiliate marketing, but it wasn't. Affiliate marketing started in the year 1989 by a man named William Tobin, the world's first advertiser and web marketer. William Tobin founded a company called PC Flowers and Gifts. He was the one who created the primary basis of what is affiliate marketing, making use of its affiliate program called at that time the Protege Network. This affiliate program paid a commission for each sale that someone referred to as their flower and gift site. In 1993, this Tobin model of affiliate marketing generated more than $6 million annually for his company Protege. Thanks to this, in 1996, Tobin presented his idea to the world. However, the status of the person who invented affiliate marketing was not granted to him until the year 2000. Then, in parallel, in 1994, a company called CDNow launched his affiliate program called Web. This program was based on reviews made by websites of musical artists. What these web pages were doing was referring customers to CDNow. If these customers buy music CDs, the affiliates earn a sales commission. Now, in the case of Amazon, they launched the associate program in 1996. This was even after CDNow, so it is not really what many people think, that they are the first to generate an affiliate program. Despite not being the first, they were the ones that captured worldwide attention with this idea of the affiliate marketing system. The Amazon model was in a very similar model to the other companies that paid a commission to affiliates every time affiliates made a sale. Based on this model was what became the general affiliate marketing model used by all companies that sell products and services online today. The affiliate marketing business model. For some people, it may not be easy to understand the affiliate marketing business model. Still, once they know it, it can be gratified and easy to get used to. Affiliate marketing is considered one of the essential action plans of companies that want to increase their sales thanks to third-party participations. Like any action plan, it has its advantages. When you join an affiliate marketing program, you become a partner in some way of a company or organization that tries to sell products and services. You get a commission every time you make a sales of any of these products. You receive your payments periodically, sometimes twice a month, sometimes once a month, and in some cases, weekly. The money paid to affiliates comes from an advertising spending plan. In some instances, some companies offer the affiliates to benefit from the bills they make on the clients they have obtained. Thus, the affiliate will be able to earn for life a commission on everything that the referral buys in the future. It is considered that any of these products could be challenging to sell. Still, it depends on the approach that is given and also on the experience that the affiliate has in promoting these products. Affiliate marketing is considered a long-term thing. The work that the affiliate performs today generates benefits in the future. Still, it is cumulative, so every time the affiliate gets a client, there are many possibilities that the client continues to buy. As they get more and more referrals, the affiliate increases income continuously. Not all affiliates succeed under this business model. The way to be successful in affiliate marketing is based on always being well informed and knowing the marketing tools that can be used online to sell products. Likewise, all the changes that occur in the internet marketing environment and knowing how to use very well social media to market products. After viewing this video, you should understand the basics of affiliate marketing. In case you still do not have it clear, I would like you to comment in the comment section. What doubts do you still have about it? Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way you will receive alerts in your YouTube account and your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email a free internet marketing PDF report every Monday. These reports are concise and easy to read. They will help you quickly understand the information you need to promote your business online. So be sure to subscribe to my mailing list as well. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.